This week's challenge was double exposure. I started off with a photo of myself and cropped it for Instagram. I then flipped it and made the background white. I added an adjustment layer to make it black and white. Next I added my photo on top and set it to screen. I wanted a cool effect with the trees on the bottom left part of my body, so I added a second one and flipped it. I spent some time positioning it and I wanted to get rid of the ear, so I added a levels adjustment and started filtering out the ear with the mask. It took some time to get the shading just right, but it was much easier to do with the mask because I was able to add and remove just so I could get it perfectly. I continued to adjust until I really got what I was looking for. Next I took the background layer and made it just off-white so I could see the trees, and then filled in part of the background. Finished off adding a gradient to add a little bit of color to the photo, and that's it.